Hello everyone! Today, for my wonderful office at work again, I'm bringing you a very cool fidget spinner by MACKIE. But before I continue, it has the plastic wrap on it, and I have super strong lights here in my office, so I prefer just taking it off before I continue. Bear with me, thank you. And just for archiving purposes, this is what is on the, let's zoom in. This is on the plastic wrap, so let's see if I can make him. Never mind. Anyway, this is to the side and continue. Now, this is the Paladin. I actually haven't bought it. I got it as a compensation for something. Now, this is the PMMA version. As you can see, product Paladin, Studio MACKIE, of course, MACKIE Studio. Product Paladin, material PMMA orange, number unlimited because it's in production. The weird thing is, I've searched the interwebs. I haven't seen an orange one, so I don't know. I've just seen a clear one. So let's open it together and see how it is. We'll keep the MACKIE here. So this is the box. Let's open it. MACKIE. As always, let's check out the envelope. And yes, it's orange, as you can see. But in the envelope, there's a tool to open it. I really like the little MACKIE tool with the eyes and the bow tie. Super cool. Replacement bearing, I believe. Let's see what else. Stickers by MACKIE Studio. Paladin sticker. Very cool CP3 stickers. I will place in second, as always. I like to keep things a little organized. Now, let's continue. I will zoom out. So, it is orange, as you can see, which is super cool. I haven't seen an orange one. I don't know how it's possible that I got an orange one, but hey, you know me, I don't doubt it. So, let's open it together and see how it is. This is the hard part for me, as you know. First thing first, the pay or PMMA is a better term. Feels great in the hand. Very, very smooth but grippy. As you can see, it has counterweights, balls as counterweights. Very, very cool. I really like it. I'm trying to show it to you from every possible angle. Just for, let's zoom in. Just so you can see it more clearly. A variety of angles to really appreciate it. So, because I'm a menace to society, I will move it to the side and I will spin it with you for the very first time. Let's do it. First of all, very, very stable. This is first thing. It looks great, both on video and in real life when you look at it. As you can see, and it starts spinning the other way. Absolutely magnificent. Now let's stop it and do another one. Some sound, if you like sound. let's zoom in on this beauty. I'm sorry, my fingers move and it's caught on it. Very, very, very cool. Very cool. I love fidgets. Even if I don't review them as often as sliders. Just because personally I usually don't take a spinner as my on-the-go fidget, or my pocket fidget as I like to call it, because dropping a spinner on pavement, not nice feeling at all, I believe. Just trying to spin the heck out of it, and it works great. It works great. Even when it's on the side, you can feel that it's balanced. I don't know how to explain it. But absolutely. Also, pretty good weight. You can see against my hand. This is not a small spinner, which some prefer, some not, some less, some more. But big enough to do this finger flick thingy pretty easily, if I might say. Pretty easily. So, as always in my reviews, this goes back into its place. Excellent, excellent, excellent PMMA spinner by MACKIE. Very stable. Excellent addition to any collection, I would say, especially if you're a fidget guy. I like every fidget, sliders and spinners. So like here in the frame. So MACKIE Paladin spinner in PMMA, not cheap but excellent quality in my book. Super solid, feels great in the hand. The design, I don't know if I can capture it on video good enough, but looks great. And again, orange. I didn't know it came in orange, and I searched every, even G1's official website, which are partners with MACKIE, if I'm not mistaken, only show it in white transparent PMMA. So maybe I got lucky, I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one I will do, hopefully. Thank you very much. Bye.